We are going to be working on these worksheets. Now you'll notice it's 8 pages. It's pretty thick, right? All right, so we're going to go through 1 or 2 of each type, and then I'll explain to you what you're supposed to do. So I would like somebody to pick one on this first page. 6. All right. Let's put a star by 6. What do the directions say? Rewrite each fraction as a decimal with a repeating line. That means I need to write this as a decimal with a line over whatever repeats. So I need to write what? 1.61 line on top of the 1. Pretty simple?
Yep.
Let's do one more.
Do you actually like a harder one? Like,
Well, pick one.
14.
No, 15.
yeah, 14.
14?
Yeah.
All right, so 0 point, I gotta figure out what repeats there. 2, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7. So it looks like the 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7 is what repeats. Agree with that? 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7, 1, 2, 4, 8, 5, 7. Okay, so what do I put a line over?
1, 4, 2, 8, 5, 7.
Not that first 2. That first 2 does not repeat. You know what? Let's do number 15 as well.
I know 15 is really
Okay. 1 repeats. Now, I have to put the bar behind the decimal point, so don't put it in front. The bar always goes behind the decimal point. Good on that?
Yep.
All right, second page. Directions. Find the value of the underlined digit. So they give us a couple examples. The 4 is in the 10th spot, so it's 4/10. The 3 is in the 1 spot, so it's 3. So somebody pick one. Give me one where a line is underlined on the left of the decimal and one on the right. Madison. 1. Okay, I put a little star by that one. That's 8, right? And what place is that in? What place is that 8 in? 1,000, right? So what's 8 times 1,000? 8,000 would be the answer to that one. Okay, let's pick another one. 9. Star it. What place is that in? 5 hundredths. So I'm going to write 5 over 100. 5 hundredths. Okay, so if it's on the right of the decimal, it's going to be a fraction. If it's on the left of the decimal, it's going to be a whole number. Question 3. Round each number to the place indicated. So somebody pick one there. 13. Lucky number 13. 1,000 spot, so let's see, 10th, 100th, 1,000. So I'm rounding to that place. Will the digit behind round it up or leave it the same? It will round it up. So it's going to be 5.69. What?
8.
No. 7. The 7's rounding that 6 up. 7. Another one. 14. To the nearest whole number. So 2.9 is going to round to 3. All right, page 4. All right, pick one on this one, please. 5. Directions, determine which letter best represents the amount shaded of the whole. So how many squares do I have, or rectangles on that one? 10. So that means I'm going to round to my 10th spot. And how many are shaded?
4.
4/10. Which one is 4/10?
B.
B. One more?
9.
9. How many boxes are shaded?
Or I should have
How many boxes are shaded? 10 total. How many are shaded?
7.
So 7/10. Which one represents 7/10? A. Okay, page 5. Pick one. 12. Okay, least to greatest. I'm going to fill in zeros here for the ones that are missing. Okay, so they all have a 9. Then I got 0, 4, 0, 0. So what's smallest out of 0 or 4?
No, not A. That's the highest.
The zeros. And then I look at the third digit and it's 0, 2, 5. I'm not even looking at B anymore. 0, 2, 5, what's smallest? A. Yep, so that goes first. So A is now out. 2 or 5, which one's smaller?
2.
So C would be second. And then?
B.
And then?
B.
Okay, that would be correct. One more of those?
14.
14. Again, I'm going to put zeros in all the missing spots. Should be pretty easy. Which one's smallest there?
7 point.
C. 7.
Oh, yeah,
Okay, and then the first digit, I got 6, 7, or 9. What's
no. Wait, no.
next smallest? B, yes. And then?
B.
No.
No, A.
7 is smaller than 9. A and then D. So C, bad on that one. Okay, page 6. Pick one. Let's do one set, so 5 and 6 would go together, 7 or 8 would go together, and so on. Anybody? 15 and 16. Which letter best represents the location of 1.1? So which of those letters up here would be where 1.1 would be?
Right here. D.
D. Has to be more than 1. So that goes in for 15. 16, 0.78. Which letter represents where 0.78 would be?
C.
Between 0.5 and 1. Yeah, absolutely. See? Page 7. Pick one. Let's do one adding, one subtracting. 7, all right. Filling in zeros. Can I take 0 minus 9?
No.
I got to borrow. There's nothing there, so I got to make the 4 a 3. Make that number a 10, and I got to borrow from the 10. So 10 minus 9. 1. 9 minus 6. 3 minus 8. Can't do it. Got to borrow. 13 minus 8. 6 minus 8. Can't do it. 16 minus 8. And 2. So 28.531.
Let's do 5.
5.
That's a subtraction.
Okay. 5 minus 4.7.
That's a subtraction. I thought we were going to do adding.
4, 10, 0.3. You'll also notice that you're going to get one of these answers up here. So if you do a problem and you don't get one of these, you did something wrong. Okay, notice I got 0.3 and 28.531. Those are up here as options. Okay, last page. We just did this yesterday, but let's do one of these. Again, you know I'm going to get one of these answers. So if you don't get one of those, you did something wrong. Number 1. 9 times 0. 3 times 0. 6 times 0. Add a 0 for the second line. 9 times 7.
63.
63. So 7 times 3 plus 6.
21, 25, or no, 24.
21 plus 6.
Oh, 27.
27. 7 times 6 plus 2. 44. Add them up. 0, 3,
Wait,
7, 4, 4. Where does my decimal go?
wait, what was
Behind the 7, in front of the
2 spots. 1 spot and 1 spot, so I move it 2 spots. 447.3. Do you see that listed as one of my choices?
3? Yeah.
Sure do. 447.3. All right. Here is your assignment. This will be due on Monday. You don't have to do all of these, but you have to pick 3 on each page to do. You pick which 3. That does not include the ones we already did. So somewhere on here, I want you to circle the 3 that you pick, and then you answer them. And that's it. Don't do them all. And then you're going to go to page 2. And I'm going to pick 3, not including these 2 that we already did. I'm going to circle 3 problems. Those are the only ones you're getting graded on. So you get to pick which problems you want to do on each page. Pick 3. Don't do them all. Is that understood?
Yep.
All right, 3 on every page, and that will be due on Monday.